see the color, it's gone to amber.
And now it's green.
And this is like yeah, I think yeah, it treats the perfume like any other. So yes, Alexa you can see 55. Now it has got into the green category. Below 60 is green. So this is how it is. This model
On the display itself. You can see it's already increasing and the color is also changing from green to amber.
It will be acceptable level. In Delhi you have seen it at 380, 400 to PM 2.5, that's 1000. Actually we have monitors in Delhi, so it is only 999. So it has got nothing to do with outdoor pollution. From the carpet, from the noise, from the incense sticks, anywhere it can happen. You are seeing how fast, rapidly. See the color changing also. Pranam, we can see that.
Yeah, so in fact the color has already changed from green to amber, orange and now red. So the pollution levels are right here. From 0 to 60 it indicates that the general pollutant level is okay. Then 61 to 90 it shows that it's not that great. 91 to 120 it's not good at all, and 120 and above it's severe. So we right now in the severe quadrant.
So air purifier was not working at that point of time. Now we are switching it on.
Now the air purifier is running. You will see that it reduces from 300 to almost 10 within hardly 2.5 to 3 minutes. And this is inside a box which is completely concentrated with these pollutants. So you can imagine. And not only that, this machine, as Sir has already explained, it runs completely as just an air purifier, only an air purifier dealing with heaters. You don't need your compressor on, which is another added benefit.
Thank you.
I want to do it with Google also. So it works on Alexa.
The microphone is back on.
Okay Google, switch on Blue Star Inverter AC.
Sure, turning Blue Star Inverter AC on.
Okay Google, switch off Blue Star Inverter AC.
Okay, turning off Blue Star Inverter AC.
So this is just a demo of the switching on and switching off. You can set temperature also. You can set temperatures. You can also budget the electricity consumption, so that customer can set it should not exceed 2000 rupees or it should not exceed X number of working hours. It also senses if there is something wrong in the air conditioner, it will automatically log a call to the call center. So our service team will contact the customer and say, dear customer, we got alert from the Wi-Fi AC, should we come and have a look at it? So it is actually got a lot of artificial intelligence also. It's one of the smartest Wi-Fi we have. You can also control with one Wi-Fi with multiple. You can control with one Wi-Fi more than 1 or 2 air conditioners also. You can give names.
So I just turn it on with Alexa and I turn it off with Google. Alexa.